Hello friends, today we are going to see how to install Laraclassified app. I am just using my hosting. You just log into your cpanel and you can use whatever the domains you want to install it. I'm just using the demo page. I'm just deleting all old files. You just log into the cpanel and upload the source code to the hosting location. Here are the files. I'm just zipping it for uploading. After zipping, just transfer the files to hosting location. Just wait for the uploading to complete. After uploading, you will get a green identification mark. Just click on go back to home screen. The file has been uploaded here. Just extract to the root file. Step 2, extract the uploaded zip file. Just wait for some time. The files has been extracted. Just close it and reload the page. You will get all the files. Just now you go to the installation location. Now we are going to the installation process. Just enter something name. This is demo. So I am entering site name and the site slogan as demo. Okay. uh, you just enter the administrator. If you are using for commercial purpose, this please purchase from the code canyon or the author's website. Do respect them. I'm just entering these details and password. I'm just entering. I'm just choosing country as United States. SMTP. You whatever you think you can use it. Just click on next. Yeah, now we are came to the database configuration. You just need to create a database for your purpose. Just click on my database wizard. Just please Lara. I'm just entering this thing. Just create a database. We'll enter something. or something, you just enter whatever secure. Okay, and don't forget, just click on create user. Just click all privileges and just next step. Here you have successfully created the database. Just copy and paste the database and go to site directory. Step 4, enter the selection wizard. Just port leave it and enter the details what you have created at the database. Sorry for the localhost will be the host name. Just click on save. Just click on setup database and wait for some time. Now we have to set up the cron job. You can do it later also. You just click on finish. Yeah, you have successfully installed the Laraclassified. You can just redirect to here. You are on the login field. Just enter whatever the details we have given at the time of installation and click on login. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can comment or ask whatever you need on the comment section. Thanks for watching. Share as much as possible.